Components of Splunk. Heavy forwarder. Now, contrast that with the heavy forwarder. Unlike the universal forwarder, the heavy forwarder is well heavier. It consumes more resources but also does more work. It can trace, filter, and route data before sending it along. That makes it a great choice when you want to reduce noise, enrich logs, or apply custom configurations before indexing happiness. You might use it in the front of a third party system, for example, to normalize logs or redact sensitive data. So, while the universal forwarder just transports data, the heavy forwarder acts more like a smart gatekeeper, deciding what goes where and how. Use case: normalizing logs before indexing or sending data to multiple destinations. Advanced configurations, props configurations, and transform configurations used for data manipulation.